Hey Ozzy, where's Liam? Wrong way. What's he doing? Just having a play? You just having a play? Hey, hello. Hello. Do you want to show all your friends on YouTube your bedroom? Yeah. We'll do a quick tour. Quick tour? Yeah. Now this is kind of cleaned out. Got some books. Some personalised teddy bears, haven't you? And you've got your picture on the wall. And they overlook you and keep you nice and safe. Nice dragons. More pictures. Change table. You know what? That's pretty much the end of the tour. So that's my bedroom finally cleaned out. Only took you 10 weeks. Oh, I did. 10 weeks and then you're in your own bed. 10 weeks and then we started teething as well. Rosy cheeks. Yes, rosy cheeks. Yeah. Where's our spider? Where's Nancy Wincy? Where's Nancy Wincy? Where's Nancy Wincy? Down. You gotta get giggling like that. Okay, that's the tour of my bedroom. I'm going to do something else. Bye-bye. 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 Good boy.